Israel is surrounded by geopolitical tension and potential threats from all directions, from rockets launched by militant groups to ballistic missiles from hostile states. To survive and thrive in such a volatile region, Israel has developed one of the most advanced and layered air defense networks in the world. These systems aren't just designed to intercept incoming missiles, they represent a fusion of cutting-edge technology, battlefield experience, and rapid innovation. Let's explore the most powerful and critical air defense systems that protect Israeli skies. At number 1. Iron Dome. The Iron Dome is Israel's most famous defense system, designed to intercept and destroy short-range rockets, artillery shells, and mortars. It protects urban centers and military bases from threats fired from just across the border. With an operational range of 4 to 70 kilometers, Iron Dome uses radar to track incoming projectiles and launches Tamir interceptors only when a target is headed for a populated area or sensitive site. Its success rate of over 90% has made it a global symbol of precision and efficiency in air defense. At number 2. David's Sling. David's Sling is a medium to long-range air defense system developed in partnership with the United States. It bridges the gap between the Iron Dome and the Arrow systems, targeting enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, and large tactical ballistic missiles. The system's Stunner interceptor is capable of maneuvering at high speeds and tracking fast-moving targets with pinpoint accuracy. With an effective range of 40 to 300 kilometers, David's Sling provides wide area protection and is vital for defending against more distant, high-speed threats. At number 3. Arrow 3. Arrow 3 is a game-changer in air defense, capable of intercepting ballistic missiles in space before they re-enter Earth's atmosphere. Using hit-to-kill technology, it destroys threats by direct impact rather than explosives. This makes it particularly effective against nuclear or chemical warheads. With an extended range of over 2,400 kilometers, Arrow 3 allows Israel to intercept threats far from its borders, providing a shield that extends into space and well beyond regional conflict zones. At number 4. Spyder Air Defense System. Spyder is a fast-reaction mobile air defense system developed by Rafael and IAI. It is designed to counter aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and precision-guided munitions. Depending on the variant, Spyder's range is between 20 to 50 kilometers. It uses Python 5 and Darby missiles, which can be launched rapidly and engage targets from all directions. With its ability to lock onto targets before or after launch and operate in all weather conditions, Spyder is ideal for protecting mobile units and strategic infrastructure. At number 5. Barak 8. Barak 8 is a versatile air defense missile system, co-developed by Israel and India. It defends against a wide range of aerial threats including fighter jets, helicopters, anti-ship missiles, and UAVs. Its active radar seeker and vertical launch capability give it strong coverage over land and sea. With a range of 70 to 100 kilometers, Barak 8 can engage multiple targets simultaneously and is especially effective for naval defense and coastal protection, making it a crucial part of Israel's integrated air defense network. At number 6. Iron Beam Laser Defense System. Iron Beam is Israel's newest and most futuristic air defense project, a high-energy laser system designed to intercept short-range rockets, mortars, and drones. While still undergoing deployment and testing, it promises to revolutionize missile defense by using beams of light instead of explosives. Its current effective range is around 7 kilometers, making it ideal for close-range protection, particularly against mass rocket attacks. Iron Beam is not a replacement but a supplement to existing systems, one that dramatically reduces the cost per interception and operates silently and invisibly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.